In this video, I will show you how I made a faceless YouTube channel using only AI, and you could do the same. I plan to completely automate every step of the creative process, including script writing, editing, voiceovers, and more. I came across this idea when I was watching YouTube, as usual, looking for YouTube automation ideas. I was searching for a channel with high views, subscribers, and a niche that can potentially make good amounts of money. I then discovered a YouTube channel with plenty of viewers, subscribers, and a specific niche that earns over $50,000 a year. Step 1. You must first create your channel. Easy, as that channel's been created. Then we hop onto our good friend ChatGPT, asking him to give us 10 motivational YouTube channel names. There's a lot to choose from, but this one caught my eye. I'll be using that for my brand new YouTube channel. Step 2. Create a profile picture. I'm going to use Canva, where we can find templates or we can make it all from scratch. Once you get the profile picture, you could just go to your channel customization and upload your profile picture. Step 3. Make your own YouTube video. One of the most important things is to find your niche, based on what you like or profitability of the niche. But that's all up to you. Let's hop again to ChatGPT, who can help us with writing a YouTube script for our YouTube channel. Write me a short YouTube script about success in life. Once ChatGPT does his job, all you gotta do is copy all the text, which leads us to step 4. Create a voiceover to narrate your video, and the best AI tool for that would be 11 Labs. The fact that 11 Labs produces a voice that sounds like a real human voice is its strongest feature. Once you've pasted your text from ChatGPT, you could select what type of voice you want. To finish this process, just click here and download your audio. Step 5. Going to another useful AI tool called Pictory. Afterwards, you go to Script to Video and click Proceed. What's great about Pictory is that you can watch tutorials for each option, such as Script to Video, Article to Video, edit videos using text, and visuals to video. Make sure to paste your text in the script editor, and Pictory will automatically make you a video. Also, you could change the subtitles, background images, and many other things. After you finish your video, go and download it. Step 6. Create a YouTube thumbnail. All you gotta do is go to Canva website and type YouTube thumbnail, where you could choose an already finished template, or you can make your thumbnail from scratch. Step 7. Make a YouTube title and description. And for that, we'll use ChatGPT again. Go over to ChatGPT and ask him to write you a YouTube title for the story, and a description for the video as well. Copy and paste your title and description and upload your thumbnail, and that's it. You're good to go. You posted your first video on YouTube using AI. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below.